Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the Tyndall video body effects, so Tyndall body effects overlay only in CapCut PC. So for example, I'm going to select the background and I'm going to add the overlay, just put on top another clip. I'm going to remove the background with auto cutout. Alright. You can add the Tyndall effect to overlay only. Go to effect and select body effect. You can find the Tyndall effect, just add effect, and you can create an web and use it, and select the overlay and effect, right click and create component clip. So you can see the Tyndall effect is applying to overlay only. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. So thank you so much for watching.